this page for login, you press sign up, and then after you sign up, make sure that you go for the free student account. After that, you can put your name in here and your email address, and then after that, you can put a password that you're going to remember. Click yes, I am a student. Put the animal that you see here and then sign me up. After you sign up, you are going to see this. Now you notice that I didn't really need to put my own email address, so you can make one up too. Create your first timeline, and the title of the timeline is called Your Name. And Persian Wars. All right, now don't call it actually your name, call it your name. And then after that, we're going to give a little description. For year 7, Humanities. Beautiful. And then for the starting date, we are going to start in minus 500. When you put minus in, that means that it's 500 BCE. We press OK. Size importance is OK. We're going to go over here. We're going to give it about 10 years. And then we're going to make it publicly accessible. Don't forget to do that. And then we're going to save it. Here it is. So now we need to create our first event. So our first event is the Battle of Marathon. So we click on here and we change it to the Battle of Marathon. And we go over here, and as we all know, the incredible Battle of Marathon started in September 490. So we go minus 490, and we go September. We don't care about the day. We press OK. Now, we're not going to put a span in there for now. You can if you want. Do some research, find out how long it lasted if you want. That would be okay. And if you want to put in a span, you can put a span and then put when it ended. That's okay. But we don't really need to do it. So basically what we're going to do is the month and the year, September 490. The importance of it, we're going to put it over here at 50. We're going to put everything at 50. And now we're going to put a description. So what was the Battle of Marathon? All right, so we have over here, we have the date, and we're going to show the month and the year. We can find out the exact date if we want, and if so, we can put the day in there as well. In this case, I think just month and a year is just fine. We've had the importance here. Here's some information, a description about the Battle of Marathon. And as I said, now what we do is that we need an image, so we can choose an image, and we happen to have one right here. Here's a map, so I can copy this URL, and then I can put the URL just right in here. Copy that in, press this, there it is. Absolutely beautiful. Then I save, and there it is. The Battle of Marathon. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to add the other battles in here, and then after you've finished adding the battles, you're happy with this, you can put more information about Greece if you want to. about the Persian Wars. If you feel like it, that's perfectly okay. But you have to have the minimum of the 4 wars. Click on here, go to Publish and Share. Here is the URL. And when we click on the URL, this is what we see. Now, in my case, I've only got one thing on there, the Battle of Marathon, but watch what happens when I click on it. Here's my description. Here's the picture. Absolutely beautiful. That's what you need to do also. When you have the URL, then what you're going to do is that you are going to include it right here. This will be your URL, and that will be beautiful. That's all you need to do. Make a timeline. Thank you.